Agitating farmer unions on Sunday remained firm on holding a tractor rally on the Republic Day and vowed to continue their stir till the agricultural laws are repealed, even as the Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar urged them to discuss alternatives to scrapping the legislation at the next meeting scheduled for January 19th. We are prepared to sit in protest till May 2024. Our demands is that the three laws be taken back and the government provide a legal guarantee on the MSP, Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait told reporters in Nagpur. The statement indicating little change in union stand came ahead of the Supreme Court hearing on Monday on the issue of agri-bills and ongoing protest on Delhi's borders for over 50 days. The top court would also hear on Monday a plea of the central government filed through the Delhi police seeking an injunction against the proposed tractor march or any other kind of protest by farmers which seeks to disrupt the gathering and celebrations of Republic Day on January 26th. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry on Sunday issued a notice to Amazon Prime over its series Tandav. The move comes after several leaders protested against it, with BJP MP Manoj Kotak writing to I&B Minister Prakash Javadekar seeking a ban on the series for ridiculing Hindu deities. Tandav stars actors Saif Ali Khan, Dimple Kapadia, Sunil Grover, Tigmanshu Dhulia, Dino Moria, Kumud Mishra, Mohammad Zishan Ayub, Gauhar Khan and Kritika Kamra and premiered on the streaming platform on Friday. Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar has created, directed and produced a political drama with Himanshu Kishan Mehra, and it is written by Gaurav Solanki, best known for Article 15. Three district secretaries of Rajni Makkal Mandram joined the DMK in the presence of party president M.K. Stalin here on Sunday. The development is following actor Rajnikant's recent abandonment of his plan to enter the politics and face the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections due during April to May this year. District Secretaries of Tuticorin and Ramanathapuram A. Joseph Stalin and K. Senthil Selvanand respectively and Theni District Secretary R. Ganesan joined the DMK at its headquarters Anna Arivalayam here. Besides the district level office bearers, three more functionaries joined the party, a DMK release said. A Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information and Technology has summoned Facebook and Twitter officials on January 21st in connection with the issue of prevention of misuse of social media. A notice addressed to the chairperson and members of the Standing Committee on Information and Technology, the agenda of the next sitting of the committee to be held on January 21st states, evidence of representatives of Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology and to hear the views of the representatives of Facebook and Twitter on the subject safeguarding citizens' rights and prevention of misuse of social or online news media platforms, including special emphasis on women's security in the digital space. The summons come amid a row over messaging app WhatsApp's recent updates in its privacy policy. Joe Biden's goal of seeing 100 million doses of coronavirus vaccine injected within his first 100 days in office is absolutely achievable, a top US scientist, Anthony Fauci, said on Sunday, days before he is to become the new president's chief advisor on COVID-19. The feasibility of his goal is absolutely clear. There is no doubt about it, Fauci, best known face of the government's fight against the deadly virus, told. While US health authorities succeeded in testing and confirming the safety and effectiveness of two new coronavirus vaccines in record time, an ambitious effort to quickly inoculate millions of Americans has fallen short, drawing widespread criticism. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free. Because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.